Most artists don't struggle with ideas, they struggle with identity. Your records might sound good, but they don't feel like you. We're trying to get it into a unique place. And sometimes this comes from processes. I'm going to show you in this episode how I take single custom sounds from the Moog Messenger and turn it into a full track that sounds unique, that sounds like an artist can live on it. I'm not using a massive sound library. There's not that much overlayering in this track. It's just custom sounds from the Moog Messenger and the MPC. Here's one of the sounds from the Moog Messenger, that single pluck sound, raw. So here's the verse on that single pluck sound. So the other sound that I took from the Moog Messenger to help make that verse was this moving lead. This is the verse, this is the space, this is where the artist sits. Now let's hear the pre-hook. This is where it lifts a little bit, a bit more energy. Now this is where it hits. Obviously we're using the same sounds and that, but it's just pushed further by that adding of drums. Let's listen to that into the post. Now, what made this track even better is I went to a friend's house. I just happened to play him this, and then he instantly liked it, went to the piano and started playing. This wasn't even planned. And then from that footage, I chopped it up into the MPC, got the intro, the post-chorus, and a bit of the second verse. Now that moment becomes part of the track. It wasn't planned, but it just adds that human feel. This is what gives artists something to connect to. Not 20 ideas, but just a few great ideas developed well. A patch is just a sound, variations turn this into full-blown songs. If you're struggling to make music that actually stands out, I got a few slots open.